Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name's Ryan, and today we're going to be shooting my CZ457 LRP with Eley Tenex Biathlon. I meant to get that stuff out while it was still cold, but a week later, no snow, we're in t-shirts again. So, let's just see how it does. At the end of the video, I might take the muzzle brake off and just see how it shoots without the brake and test that out. Why not? All right, let's get to it. So here we are out at the 50-yard range in my backyard, and we have Eley Tenex Biathlon. This stuff goes for $29.99 here in Canada, so it's not something I'm going to be shooting all the time, but you have to try it. It's not as bad as Lapua Exact, but it is what it is. So I like the 10X. It shoots well in my rifle, especially with the IBI barrel. It was dead nuts awesome, good stuff. But let's see how it does with the factory barrel, and we'll have all the velocities here posted up at the end of the video. And we're going to use that same Z challenge target from Eli's videos over at Day at the Range. You can get that target on his website as well if you guys want to shoot it also. And I'm just going to follow the instructions. 20 on center, 4 or 5 shot groups, total 40 rounds. But like I said in the intro, I might take the brake off with my brake removal tool, which I can't show you how to do because that's way too scary for YouTube. But we'll take that off and maybe do 2 more 5 shot groups with the remaining 10 shots from the box and just see if there's any difference in how it groups. We'll measure them up and we'll have more data for the chronograph as well. So, without further ado, let's get to shooting. We'll have to use our squints. We're taking the glasses off. And here we go. A nice, comfortable, natural point of aim. I'm backed out of the sun a bit, so my foot's kind of against the wall, and I'm not in the crazy best shooting position, but it is what it is, and we're going to make do with what we have. So here we go. A little bit tighter of a bolt close on that round there. Pop my bag up a bit here. Not shoot my camera. Where is the first round gonna land? I forgot to mention too, we have a right to left about 5 to 8 mile an hour wind, pretty consistent. And as the day goes on, it's getting worse. This is the second video I'm shooting on this day, so conditions are deteriorating quickly. Let's get to it. And that's just my excuse. We're a little high, we'll do 5, and we'll go from there. Wow, that's not looking good. That is. That's not. Huh. We're all over the map here.
Everywhere.
Guessing that's my first 10. Hopefully it does better than this. This is awful. Well, consistently grouping a little bit low. Go up 2/10. And let's get straight into our first 5 shot group. Top left target. For 5, here we go. Wow. All of a sudden, pulled off to the right and a vertical string of about 1 inch. Wow. I don't know if I should move my zero back to center or not, but 4/10, here we go. Group number 2, top right target. Now we're way off to the left. And the wind's gusting, so I'm going to hold off. Make it fair. There we go. Well, we got 1 on center, so I don't know. Not sure what to think about this stuff. Anyways, group number 3 to the bottom right. Here we go. That is brutal. CCI standard velocity shoots better than this out of this rifle. Jeez. Now the wind's gusting again, but I'm gonna move my impacts back. Okay. Last group with the muzzle brake on. Group number 4, bottom left. Here we go. Oh my God, man. Seriously. Almost risking shooting my camera here. Wow, we hit one dead center, but doesn't matter because that's a massive group. That's brutal. Well, we'll pause for a sec here. I'm going to take that brake off. We'll do 5 more shots. I don't know. This stuff is not working with this barrel anyways. Maybe we'll try with the IBI, see what happens, but that's brutal. CCI standard velocity honestly shoots better than that. And it's probably 1/10 of the price, let's say. So, all right, quick little pause here. Okay, so brakes off. We got naked threads, so don't be staring. Well, shoot, let me find a spot on the target here to aim at. That's not totally dirty. Okay, we're gonna go right, very top right corner of the black outline where you write your date, time, and all that jazz there. It's for 5, so here we go. Super high and left. Same aim point. Not showing much improvement, if any. Last one. Now we got 3 touching, which is a bit better than every other group in there pretty much. So now we'll do the same hold, but I'll drop it 1/2 mil. And hopefully we're actually hitting that corner. Here we go. Wow, that was a real tight bolt close there. Ooh, 2 in the same hole, I think. What is happening now? And of course, another big flyer. So, I'm honestly very disappointed. For $30, I could have bought 12 cans of beer. We're in Canada. I know in the States, every time I've traveled there, you can get 24 for what, $15 of cheap stuff. We're not buying Bud Light, but for $30 Canadian, which is about $10 US, since we're pretty much pesos now, I'll never buy this stuff again. At least with this barrel. Maybe when you test the IBI and if it shoots dead nuts lights out, I'd consider it, but for this setup, definitely not. I'll post that chronograph data up now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you again soon. I mean, next Sunday. Hope to see you next Sunday. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.